Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Facebook account on an iPhone. So if you want to delete your Facebook account on an iPhone, then it's pretty simple. So let's hop right into it. But first things first, you have to head over to the Facebook app. So go ahead and open the Facebook app, and once you're on the homepage here, you want to click on the menu option in the bottom right corner of the screen. It should be 4 squares or 3 lines. Once you click on that, it'll bring you to the menu page here. You want to scroll down until you see the option for settings and privacy. Once you see that, you're just going to want to drop that down, and then there will be multiple options here, but you want to look for the settings option. Now once you find the settings option, you're going to want to click on it, and it'll bring you to settings and privacy. Once you're on settings and privacy, you're going to want to normally you'd think it'd be somewhere around here, but you actually have to go to the account center. So click on the meta account center, and it will bring you to this page here. On this page, you're going to want to find personal details. Now once you find that, click on it. It should be right below account settings, the subsection of account settings. Once you find it, click on it, and it will bring you to the personal details page. And from here, you want to click account ownership and control. Once you find that, click on it, and it will bring you to this page here. And you want to click deactivation or deletion out of these two options. Now once you click on that, you're going to want to choose the account that you want to delete. So choose whatever account you want to delete. And then here it's going to ask if you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. If you want to delete your account, just choose that and then click continue. Here you can just skip this and click continue, and then you can go to this page here, and it's going to ask you a couple options. To keep Messenger, you actually have to deactivate your account. You can't delete your Facebook account, but other than that, you can go through and read all this. But if you don't care about any of it, just click continue, and it'll ask you to put in your password for the account that you want to delete. So go ahead and put that in real quick, and once you do that, you can just click continue, and then it'll load this page here, and it's going to ask you to confirm permanent account deletion, and then it's going to deactivate your account for 30 days and then delete it after 30 days. So if you change your mind within those 30 days, you can reactivate it by logging back in. But if you don't want to, just click delete account or continue. And then it will now say your account is scheduled for deletion. So that is how you delete your account on Facebook. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.